welcome in this stage. As a guest, I would like to call Ashish Thapa, sir, please. Next to Vedi sir also. As a judge, Chief Judge, I would like to call Shekhar Thapa Magar, sir, please. Judge Uday Badur Rai and Badal Chamling Miss Chu, please sit. I would like to call second chairperson of cultural program Raksha Khawas for the short speech, please. Welcome to speech. As a guest, Jyoti Rayal sir also please. Welcome.
Thank you, announcer, respected principal, director, coordinator, chief coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends. Good morning. First of all, I would like to give you a warm morning welcome. I'm grateful to announcer for giving me the opportunity to say welcome speech. This program is held for extracurricular activities which will develop our bond and our capacity. As our school says, quality education with cultures and creativity. At last, again, I would like to welcome you all. Thank you.
I'm glad to welcome our cultural club chairperson for welcome speech. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite our honorable and defined principal Iran Kumar Rai to the stage to speak a few words about the program. So please.
Thank you, announcer. The secretary of ACS Students Culture Club, Smriti Rai from class 11. And chairperson of this cultural program and ACS Students Culture Club, Jessica Situla. And guest, chief judge and judges, and competitors and other students. First of all, I am very happy to be here with you that only few of the students are going to perform their performances. 3 students from class 9, 1 student from class 10, class 11 0, that means they are not creative, and class 12 only 1. Chairperson herself. This program is designed to participate more. I told the teachers also that they should convince. Before, I think one way. Solo dance and singing, why? So that you do everything yourself. Make up yourself, dress up yourself, choosing of the songs yourself, dancing steps yourself. That means a student can be perfect for a dance themselves. But only 5 students are going to participate, means it is the matter of same food. When you say that there should be extra activities, how can we organize? It is very a type of dangerous mentality of the students. I know this way. And I told it to class 11 also, at least 5 girls should be participated and 3 boys. But none. What does it mean? It means you want to do nothing. To be the nothing, school should not be open. School should be closed everywhere in the world. Because birds dance themselves. There is no coach. Animals sing themselves. There is no coach, guide, or guru to sing the song for the wild animals, pet animals. Always a pigeon, a dog dances with the song. They don't only dance, they sing the song together. They sing the song with dances. They move their heads. They extend their wings. They move. They move different steps. That means we are weaker than the birds and animals. I have written this dancing and singing. This type of creation is not only for the entertainment, but health, but creation. And actually this type of creation make, you can see there, major thing what? Culture. Are you well cultured or not? I am well cultured or not? Behavior, attitude will show. You may have your certificates, you may be rich, you may have tons of gold in your house. But when your attitude is bad, when your culture is bad, where your thought is negative, that's not a human being. So that, why do old people dance in the world? Why do very sick people also, who have no hands, no legs, no eyes, they can't see with their eyesights are poor, they sing even in the market. Sansarama sabaiko gramro, anda honu bahutै naramro. Why do they sing this? Because there is humanity. Humanity is not to show on the coats or sweaters or ornaments. Humanity should come from the depth of the heart. There is very vast meaning of singing, dancing, or cultural dancing, cultural steps. So what type of future do you want? What type of citizens are you going to be in the future? Many people have been scolding, insulting the leaders. They have been saying that leaders are bad in Nepal, good in other countries. But they are also from the same society. And you are going to be the leaders. Maybe some of you lead in agricultural sector, some of you lead in business sector. It is not compulsory to lead the politics only. Education sector, what kinds of education minister do you want? Dance will show, song will show. We can express our views through different activities. What type of education minister? Otherwise, prime minister or president or army chief or IGP. We express our views through different media. And one of the strongest media is dancing and singing. So that you don't participate in more. On 10th of this post, we are going to celebrate our 30th school anniversary. And you should be very clear about this, that school always invest for the future citizens of the country and future member of the earth and future leader of the universe. Target is there, but attitude, behavior, and thought, you have to ask yourself, your thought, your attitude, your behavior, are they making you the good citizen of the country? Can you save the earth? Can you protect the human beings and other living things? Can you balance the environment? If we have this type of attitude, this type of behavior, everyone gets food. Without education, without money, without dancing. But what type of person are you going to be? That is the major thing. So that I have been guiding the teachers also. When I do one notice, they have to convince, invest, and make the students sure to participate. And I told you this makes the weaknesses of the school. I can't convince everyone, but I have to convince through you, teachers, monitors, senior class students, no, through this one. So that I hope that what happens this one, in the lower classes there are many students to participate. No, they will carry the target of this program. And anyway, they haven't prepared even. Just 2 students have come in proper preparation, Jessica herself and Evangelina. And even Evangelina's name is Chunku. Chunku is not here. Who wrote, I don't know. I sent one Karmachari to collect the names. Even in that paper, before 5 days, there was written Chunku. Who is Chunku? Official name, formal name. I mean, that it is the one example of too much carelessness. Too much carelessness. Another you can see, most of you can see there, watch. I have suggested some of the staffs to see. Was the minute handle is unable to move. No food. How can a minute handle go forward? That means I have been telling you that I want to make my face only good. No backside, no hands, no anything. One part is good, we think that we are the hero or heroine. There are many parts we have to care in. But one thing is, I asked them, is stage ready? Program already ready. But they don't know what program is going to do. I told them dancing program. That means this board was not removed from here. Clock was not maintained. Many things. Here no white curtain. How to pass the time online? No responsibility, no seriousness. It was called in Panchayat system, Rajako camp, Koile Jala camp. Only day should be passed. That is my program. That is our program. It's my duty. It's my responsibility. It's very difficult. So I have been telling you long. I tell you about dance only one thing. Dance is the second best exercise for our health. First one is considered. Swimming is called the first one. If possible, we have to do swimming. Because swimming, when we do swimming, our all organs, parts of the body will be moved, will be active. And respiratory system, how to pause our respiratory system, when to open. In swimming, that is the best one. But in dance, not controlled. So, swimming is the best exercise in the world. Second one is the dance. If you dance, you will be healthier. There is no doubt. And another one, I have told you there, written there, culture. Man is different from other animals. Why? Because of culture. We are from different communities. Why are we different to each other? We are different from each other because of culture. Tharu community, they have their own culture, or the culture of Tharu is different to Dhimal community. Dhimal's community is different to Khas Arya, Chhetri Baun. Chhetri Baun is different to Railimbu Gurung Magar, no? Railimbu generally. Railimbu is different from Magar Tamang Gurung. And Magar Tamang Gurung are different to Newar. Why? Because of only culture. Culture is the identity, personal identity. So that dance represents our culture too. In whole, we have to say we are Nepali, so our culture is different to other countries. And last one, creation. I told once, I think you should not feel bored. I don't know how to dance, but I can see with my eyes. I practiced one dance, which was called impossible. When Sagarmatha English School was established on 10th of Paus 2052 Bikram Samvat, just next year, 10th Paus of 2053 Bikram Samvat, we performed one dance. This dance was performed by Sarita Rai. Still I remember. And this dance was composed on Kunti Mogban's song, Khutta Tandai Gara. Many more dancers, music composers, audiences, they saw nothing, no possibility in this song, Khutta Tandai Gara. For nobody, I think still nobody is interested to choose this song for the dance. But I think on this song, I suggested and she danced. Our sister Sangeeta Rai guided her, and Sarita Rai performed the best, and this dance was demanded in many more places. After 2-3 times demands, no Sarita, Sangeeta Rai herself started to dance. So that creation, there is creation. You don't know, but your teachers know well. When Khemraj Guru released his best everlasting song, which song Khemraj Guru? Which song, madam? Khemraj Guru song? I think you don't know because your age is not there. When you were born, I think you are 2063, 64, 65, 67. Khemraj Gurung song. It was very good for 10 years, one decade, 2055, 56 to 65, 66. There was no any village, no any toll that Khemraj Gurung song was not sung or not performed dance in Tihar, Devsi Bhaili. Wari Jamuna, Pari Jamuna. When Wari Jamuna, Pari Jamuna started to dance, everywhere I saw about more than 50 dances in different 50 places. What happened there? Everyone thought one concept was there. There should be one old man. Old man. I think there was no communication. No communication. But everywhere. I saw these dances in 3 districts. Japa, Moram, Sunsari. They did not fight to each other, but they had one concept. What concept was that? Old man is compulsory. Similarly, what type of dress up, what type of activities, what type of character does your song demand? Creation is there. Not simply we have to dance. So, I thought that when dance program is going to be held, your teachers once in the class maybe tell you about the dance. But how many teachers did they tell you about this? I will ask them once in the staff meetings. मैले के सोच्थेँ भने अब डान्स प्रोग्राम हुन्छ, सिङ्गिङ प्रोग्राम हुन्छ भनेपछि छुट्टी हुन्छ भन्ने सोच्नुभयो कि सर्भिसले? हैन। डान्स भनेको हो नानी हो, पार्टिसिपेट गर्नुपर्छ, यसको महत्त्व छ। आएन भने म सिकाउँछु, मैले जानेन भने म अरू यसो पनि भन्नुभयो। यहाँ आएर क माने क पढाएर मात्रै हुँदैन। ए माने ए मात्रै पढेर हुँदैन। यदि टिचरको पनि त्यो कन्सेप्ट छ र स्टुडेन्टलाई पनि सिक्ने मन छैन भने स्कुल बन्द। डान्स प्रोग्राम हुने भन्ने डान्स कविता कार्यक्रम हुने बित्तिकै कविता के हो? कविता किन कोर्नुपर्छ? कविता कोरेर को ठुलो भएको छ, को धनी भएको छ? कविता कोर्दा के लाभ छ? कविता कसरी कोर्ने, कसरी पर्फर्म गर्ने? त्यो मास्टरले टिचरले भनिहाल्नु पर्यो क्या। मैले जहिले उहाँ टिचिङ स्टाफ मिटिङमा भनेको छु। त उहाँहरूले पनि म त डान्स जान्दिनँ छोडिदिएँ, म त उता गफ गर्छु भन्ने खालको छ भने नो भ्यालु अफ द्याट टिचर। तिमीहरूको पनि इन्ट्रेस्ट छ, नो भ्यालु अफ द स्टुडेन्ट। वाइ इज सगरमाथा मैले उहाँलाई सोध्दै गरेको छु, तिमीहरूलाई पनि सोधेको छु क्या। किनभने सबैजना इन्गेज हुनु पर्थ्यो। द्याट सुड बी द ग्रुप टिम हो। मैले डान्स हुन्छ, सिङ्गिङ हुन्छ भनेर कति 5 दिन अगाडि गरेँ होइन, 6 दिन भइसक्यो नि त। अब अहिलेसम्म ड्रेसअप नै खोजेको छैन कतिले। नो पर्फर्मेन्स। What does it mean? It means that we are going to be very careless. अनि नेतालाई गाली गरेछ, अर्कालाई गाली गरेछ। तयारी के छ त मेरो ड्युटी? This is the major thing. So that creation you have to understand. 3 things. Culture, entertainment itself, everybody knows. त्यो कसैले सिकाउनु पर्दैन। The culture, dance is culture. Dance is culture, means identity, value of the life. That should be understood. Second is what? Health. I have already told you this, health. And third one is creation. So 5 students will perform here. That will be, there is no any difficulties. Whatever they danced, they will get prizes. 5 मा 5 ले नै प्राइज पाउँछ भन्ने बुझिराख्नु। अब 5 जना भएपछि त्यहाँ सिलेक्सनमा त हुँदैन, तर पर्फर्म चाहिँ अन 10th कसलाई दिने भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ जजेसले भन्नुहुन्छ। विल बी द फर्स्ट, सेकेन्ड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, दे विल से, एन्ड 1 or 2 maybe, if the best one we shall perform on that day, otherwise maybe not also from here. It is not compulsory to perform from this group. I have divided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups I think. PG Nursery KG, one group, 1, 2, 3, another group, 1, 2, 3, no?
4, 5,
And, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, one group, and 4, 5 another.
Yeah.
4, 5 another,
6, 7, 8.
and 6, 7, 8 another, 9 to 12 another. Means 5 groups, means out of 5 groups, this dance will be performed on 10th. Even the second time, no, should not be lost. हामीले योभन्दा अगाडि म आफै पनि अलिकति इनिसिएसन लिएर डान्स प्रोग्राम गरेको थिएँ। यहाँ नाच्छु भन्ने धेरै थिए, 11 मा पनि थिए होइन, 12 मा पनि थिए, 10 मा पनि थिए, 9 मा पनि थिए, तर पर्फर्मेन्स गरेन। अब यो दुःखको कुरो हो र सुखको कुरो चाहिँ के भने 5 जना जसले नाच्छु भने तिनीहरूले सबले पुरस्कार पाउँछन्। तिमीहरूकै आँखा अगाडि हेर्नु आएन भने पनि भिडियो हुन्छ। कुरा बुझ्यो। सुखको कुरो चाहिँ यो 5 जनाले पुरस्कार पाउँछ। अब only there should be one curiosity is that will be the first, second, third, no, fourth, fifth. Ranking is curiosity, but prize is guaranteed. Prize and certificate is guaranteed. 5. Lastly, I have taken a long time. No, it is actually 3 students have started to they have started to dress up. So I took your time. I know very well. Ansika Subedi, Anshu Gimire. No, have you gone there? Why did you go there then? Bad then, bad. You, the Prasna, why? You get slapped. I will beat you very hard tomorrow. बाठी हुने जतिलाई म लाठी लगाउँछु, जोसुकै होस्। बाठी भयो कि धेर बाठी भयो कि त्यो लाठी खायो, के खानु बाहिर गयो त? त्यसलाई देखाउने त्यसको बोली थिएन। बाठी लाठी खाएछ भोलि, आज म गर्दिनँ, भोलि यिनीहरूलाई म सिम्लो बसाउँछु कुरा बुझ्नु। अहिले आंशिका सुवेदी, रेगिना कटवाल, and I think with that another Pranisha Paudel, 3 they are coming, so that I have taken your time. तर यो अंशु घिमिरे र प्रार्थना राई यो बाठी भएको थियो, यिनीहरूलाई बाठो हुनु सिकाउने फेरि यो सलिना बास्नु हैन, यो 3 जना लाठी खान्छ भोलि, 3 जनाले। What did I tell you? Do your work yourself. खेताला खोज्ने होइन, भरिया खोज्ने होइन। You are class 9, 10, at least you are 9. 3 जना सम्झिराख नाम, सलिना, प्रार्थना र अंशु घिमिरे। यिनीहरूले भोलि झापड खान्छ। Okay. Anyway, you have here, and I would like to congratulate all to be the first, second, third, and 4th and 5th will also get the prize, and judges will judge very best way and impartially, and lastly, I thank to those who will give a little bit attendance to this program, and thank you.